have like, for example, the first study on the lab,
First study in the lab?
lab number 9.
Are you talking about lab 8?
Let's
You're talking
see.
about the first case study?
No, on the worksheet to lab 9.
Oh, lab 9. Okay, yes.
Thank you. So I'm looking at it, I'm trying to break it down, but I can see the oxidase. Sorry,
I didn't hear that. Can you repeat that?
sure. I see, like, for example, in case 1,
Go on. I'm opening the lab exercises now, but go ahead and talk.
okay. So I see the culture for, catalase positive and oxidase negative. Then I gotta look, and then I'm looking at the chart. Let's see what okay.
Oh, shoot. Where are the case studies? Well, that's not any good. Let me go online. Come on. Oh, actually, I don't have to go online. I can go. Let me go elsewhere. Summer, spring, round 9. I thought I put them all together someplace, but maybe I don't have it in that folder. So this is where I'm talking about it.
You have them under lab 9, Rasco,
Yeah, I
Ver.
don't have the case studies in my file, so I'm looking for the case studies. Just a minute. Here we go. I got them now.
Thank you.
All right, I'm ready. So case study 1 is the one you're asking about?
Yeah, study 1, I just want to see how to, like, break it down. So I see that you say catalase positive and oxidase negative. And then I go to the little chart, the case study.
I'm sorry, in case study 1, catalase positive, oxidase negative. Yes.
So I see oxidase negative, so I should concentrate on the negative ones.
Uh-huh.
And then, so, and then where, no, the
You look
catalase.
at day 2, and they ran the tests of SIMS test, MR test, VP test, citrate test, and TSI test. Okay?
Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, God, yes.
That's day 2, so you have more information.
Oh, day 2, I see. Okay, I gotta focus on that. Okay.
So let me see. Day 1, we have gram-negative cells that are catalase positive and oxidase negative. So they're probably from table Enterobacteriaceae. And that explains why they're doing the MR and the VP test and the citrate test. Okay, and then you got to look at the chart.
Mm-hmm.
Look here. I don't have the key. Are you seeing my screen?
No, I don't see it, but don't worry, it makes more sense now that you went over it. See. It look a little similar like the one for lab 8, So, but I
Yeah,
think that.
similar to Lab A.
Mhm.
Similar to Lab A. Did I close down what I wanted open? No, it's good. So on the SIMS test, You can see the red band there. What does that mean? If you don't know, I'll mention that it says that it's indole positive. In the MR test, it's MR positive.
Mhm.
VP test is VP negative.
Okay.
Citrate test, it's citrate negative. So that should help narrow it down.
Mhm.
And then in TSI, there's no hydrogen sulfide being produced because it's not black. And it's fermenting glucose and the sugar, either lactose or sucrose or both of them. And it's fermenting with the production of gas.
Mhm.
And see if that narrows it down. I'm looking for my chart to see where that is, and I guess I've got to go online to get that.
Yeah, what I might do, I might just print this so I can see it. My color printer. I think that will help a lot.
It might, and then you can compare to the chart because you have to have this information, and you can write it down and then look at the chart. I'm trying to pull up the chart now. I'm not finding it on my computer, so I'm going online.
Oh, and one more question. I, have you seen my infectious disease work yet?
Did you email it to me?
No, I submitted it.
You submitted it in the infectious disease project.
Yeah,
I can take a look and see if you've got it. I have not graded them yet, if that's what you mean.
yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. Yeah.
I have not graded them yet. No.
I got plenty to do. So.
Where is the chart for this? What chart are we supposed to be using for Lab 9? I'm opening it up, the worksheet.
Mhm.
Okay, you're supposed to use the table in the worksheet for identifying what you have for this lab and this lab only. I mean, you don't use this table for your unknown. So
Oh,
in the
that's good to know.
Enterobacteriaceae, what?
That's good to know, though.
Yeah, so in the Enterobacteriaceae, I think it's that because it's gram negative and what the heck is it? Gram negative bacteria and catalase positive and what's it, oxidase negative? And that's
Okay.
why I think it's Enteriaceae.
Mhm.
So it does ferment glucose, but that's all of them. It ferments either lactose or sucrose. So that means it's probably, you're not seeing the screen here. Let me show you the screen. There, now you can see the screen. So it probably ferments the sugar lactose, so it means it's probably one of these 4 bacteria at the top of this table.
Mhm.
And TSI, it's AA, that doesn't really help us. H2S, it's negative, so that throws out Citrobacter furundi.
Mhm.
That means it's one of these 3. And we don't have motility, but you can take it. Actually, it narrowed it down to, because of the indole test, it's positive. So it's probably E. coli. The MR test is positive. That fits with E. coli. The VP test is negative. And with the MR test and the VP, that means it's only E. coli. Okay?
Okay.
See
I
how I
see.
did that?
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
I appreciate. Yeah, I think I think printing the directions, the table, I think it will
Yeah,
help.
you
Yeah.
need this table. And then it's helpful to have the case studies. You could write it out if you didn't want to print it, but if you don't mind printing it, go ahead and print it.
I do have a good printer. I think I should use it for this for now.